Everyone's your boy. Cooking man. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing for more dope content like this one. A quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. A while ago, I bought a pair of Puma RS, aka running system, and I've been rocking them ever since. I'm not gonna lie, I was impressed. Here's my experience with the sneakers. Let's start with the goodies. The first one is gonna be comfortable. The level of comfort in this sneaker, it's so immaculate. They have this padding inside that takes the level of comfortability to such an extreme. Second one is gonna be the design. The design is on another level. A combination of color structures the sneaker very well and it makes the sneaker to stand out. I was so impressed by the level of attention that I got while I was rocking these sneakers. If you like attention, then these are kicks for you. And the third point is gonna be the colors. This sneaker comes in different and tons of colors. Okay, let's jump straight into the baddies. The first one's gonna be the leg of vent. So the ventilation on this sneaker sucks. I'm not gonna lie, it sucks. Another thing is the size card is too small. So if, for example, you're wearing size 8, you need to get 8.5 so that your leg can have a little bit of room to play. And the last one was the rattle. So this sneaker is rattle, especially when you're in a quiet environment. I was in my room, so I was walking and I had like something is rattling. And as I walk out here, the sneakers is rattle. But when you're in a busy environment or loud environment, you can't hear a thing. Let's talk about the pricing. These are priced at 2,300 South African rands. For me, the price is fair because this sneaker can withstand any other abuse. So I just love the sneaker. So thank you for joining me. And remember,